There are two types of photosynthesis: light-dependent reaction and light-independent reaction. Light-dependent reaction takes place in the thylakoid membrane. The photon hit the photosystem 2, which then move through electron transport chain to photosystem 1 and protein channel. The electron will then catch with NADP and proton to form NADPH. Proton will go through ATP synthase, and the chemiosmosis would also change ADP into ATP. In each photosystem, photons of light hit chlorophyll molecules, and energy will pass from one chlorophyll to another until it reaches the reaction center, where electrons will be transported further. The light-independent reaction, or the Calvin cycle, are divided into three types: C3, C4, and CAM plants. The Calvin cycle starts with 3 molecules of carbon dioxide passed through Rubisco. It took place in stroma. First step makes a 6-carbon compound that splits into 2 molecules of a 3-carbon compound, or 3-PGA. In the second step, ATP and NADPH are used to convert the 3-PGA molecules into molecules of a 3-carbon sugar, or G3P. Some G3P molecules go to make glucose, while others must be recycled to regenerate the RUPB acceptor. To conclude, when 3 carbon dioxide molecules enter the cycle, 6 G3P molecules are made. One will exit the cycle and is used to make glucose, while the other 5 must be recycled to regenerate 3 molecules of the RUPB acceptor.
In C4 plants, the light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle are separated. The light-dependent reaction occurring in the mesophyll cells and the Calvin cycle occurring in special cells around the leaf veins. Carbon dioxide is fixed in mesophyll cells to form a 4-carbon organic acid, which is then converted to malate. Malate breaks down, releasing the molecule of carbon dioxide and made into sugars via the Calvin cycle. Crassulation metabolic pathway, or CAM pathway, is a carbon fixation pathway adaptation in some plants that are living in an arid conditions. This pathway will minimize the photorespiration as much as possible to conserve water. In CAM pathway, the stomata are closed during the day to prevent water loss, thus making them unable to exchange gas. They only open at night. However, there is no sunlight, so the plant have to separate photosynthesis into day and night time. The Calvin cycle that needed light happened during daytime, and the light-independent reaction will happen during nighttime.